Hey, I'm getting bigger and stronger.
Oh, and have your revenge.
Oh, so the entire gang has come.
Oh, so there comes your strength and power.
How dare you enter into my castle without my permission?
Please forgive us. We have
Let me just check. Oh, so you guys are also enemies of Bhim. Happy to say you guys are my friends.
Hey, I'm getting bigger and stronger.
Now go and have your revenge.
Bhim, where are you? Show your face.
Ma? What's the matter? Look, son, there are 3 monsters waiting outside for you. Don't step on. Ma, just have faith in me and relax. Your Bhim never...
Now how long will you keep hiding, Bhim? Looks like you're getting scared.
Oh, so the entire gang has come.
By the way, Bhim was good enough for all of you guys. But we thought let's just finish off with you as fast as possible.
What? How dare you?
Bhim, just watch out. I'll turn you to ashes.
Oh, so there comes your strength and power. Hey, why are you boiling with anger like this? First burn me to ashes and show...
I come. Hey, what's this? Belu, you're hurting me? Why? Don't you What will you do?
Oh ho! I don't understand why these two are simply wasting time. In case the moon gets hidden by dark clouds, then they will get transformed back as humans.
Hey, why are you two guys fighting amongst yourselves?
This Belu is under the impression that he can defeat me. I can spit fire out of my mouth. If I wish, I can defeat both of you.
Challenge? Let's find out right away.
It's such good fun to see these 3 bashing up one another left and...
What's this? I'm beginning to shrink. No, we are a bit too late. The dark clouds have covered the moon already. How I wish we could keep a control over our anger and frustration.
You would have what?
Or else we would have...
What else would you have done?
We would have run away much before that. Run!
All in vain. This Bhim wins every time at any given situation. He has made my life utterly miserable. One day will come when I will defeat Bhim and have the last laugh. He will start shivering even with my name.
Hello kids, how are you all?
Greetings, Your Majesty.
I'd want you to meet Mr. Ander. He's a minister from the Messina Kingdom and he has specially come from the Icy Kingdom to learn about our farming and farm techniques used.
Iceland!
Mr. Minister, so how is this Messina province?
Messina province is beautiful, filled with beautiful people. We need a device just like this one. We need to finish our farming. before the winter arrives, because it is impossible to do farming in the snow.
Take us to Messina province with you.
We will teach you how to use this farming machine ourselves.
Hey, Bholu. Wow, looks like the whole of Messina province is here.
So much excitement for a farming machine.
So then come, let's get started without wasting any more time.
This device is great. Now we can finish our farming before the winter even begins.
Cheers to Team Dharapur!
Now this is what you call a royal feast.
I'm sorry, we forgot to keep the sharbat on the table. I'll be back.
I'm so tired.
What?
We're trying to find the elves in the forest since morning. Elves? Yes, elves. And you know dwarves can fulfill anything we wish for. Yes, dwarves.
Elves that will need to meet them for sure. Come on, let's go.
Hey, where have Bheem and his friends disappeared?
Erika and Helga sent them into the forest to find some wish-fulfilling elves.
What? You two are at it again? I have to stop them all before they find the elves and it's too late.
We have been walking in the forest since so long, but there is no sign of elves.
We found them. Come on, let's get our wishes fulfilled.
Let me inform you all that these elves are very hot-headed. They'll never grant your wishes, but they can curse you. They don't like humans at all. The only things they like are flowers.
We are sorry. Please forgive us. We were just kidding.
Who's out there? Who is trying to spy on us? I'll turn you into a rabbit. Come out!
Run! Run, run!
It's raining
Because of you, these guys could have landed in trouble. Wait till Dads find out. He'll be really angry.
We are sorry. Please forgive us. We will never misbehave again. If our friends are angry with us, we will lighten up the mood. We will dance for them like a frog.
You two are just so cute.
Come.
Your Highness, the army is waiting for your orders to launch the attack.
Get my horse ready now. It's time to head for an attack.
Huh?
Emperor Hidoishin has launched his attack on our kingdom. Our king is injured and we have very few soldiers. But we are not going to let this scare us, right?
We will fight! Show our might!
This is my chance to prove that I am better than anyone. Commander, sir.
What?
By the time the sun sets today, no one would be praising Bhim at all. Instead, they'll be singing in praise of Kalia's bravery.
Hey, boss!
Will you both get down, or shall I change the shape of your faces?
Even if you don't change the shape, they sure will do the needful, boss!
This army looks like a huge ocean, guys.
And we will surely drown in this ocean.
My dear Iga soldiers, I know the conditions don't look favorable for our army, but we are not going to give up our fight till our last breath.
Attack!
How I wish some angel could drop in and help us.
All Iga soldiers to surge ahead now!
Where did they come from?
The king of Iga is going through such a bad time that he is forced to make a kid the head of his army.
It's you whose bad times have begun, Hidoishin.
A puny little boy, and he is trying to challenge me?
The Emperor is injured! Our army has no commander now!
Look, Raju Jaku, with the Emperor getting injured, his entire army has lost its self-confidence.
Yes, Chutki.
Once we cross those mountains, we reach the border of our Iga province.
The mountain wind is quite chilly.
Shh! Listen to that.
What's the matter, Bhim?
Sounds like some small animal is crying.
A fawn of a Sitka deer.
Let's go.
Oh no! Poor thing got stuck in vines.
Just hold on, Chutki.
Why, Bhim?
Something is not right. Looks as if someone is out there.
Huh? A wild bear.
Dare you even think of touching her?
Huh?
Sam, we need to attack him from two sides. Or else it may injure either one of us. Sam, those wild vines. We can tie him up with those. Now we just need to distract him.
Let me do that. Hey, you fatso, come here.
Wow. Bholu, our boss is not as coward as we think.
Yes, he is calling the bear towards himself.
Look over here. These two are calling you, pal.
Mummy!
It's not so scary, you see.
Yes. No wonder you pushed us ahead and went and hid behind the bushes yourself.
Look up there! Dark clouds! This means the sun will shine and there'll be rain too.
Finally, there will be some rain in Dholakpur.
And then we'll jump up and down in the puddles. What fun!
Aha, Bheem. Children, come. Kalia and Bholu are already here to see my kitchen robot.
Kitchen robot?
Yes, made of glass, my helper in the kitchen can do so many jobs.
Oh, can he even scream like Kalia?
Oh no, what's this? The robot is out of control.
Hey, Bholu, why are you making him chase me? Oh no!
We were just trying to make an omelette for you, boss.
This way I'll become an omelette myself. Help me! Help me, someone! Help me!
What were you both up to?
Nothing. We had only pressed a few buttons.
Thank goodness you did not press all the buttons.
Is the remote not working properly, Professor Dhoomketu?
No, Bheem. This will not stop now.
But we have to stop it, or Kalia will be in danger. I am sorry, Professor. I only wanted to stop the robot from hurting Kalia, not break it.
I know, Bheem. It's good that this glass is of a different kind and I can fix it. I just need to collect all the pieces.
Wow, look at this, Beam. It's like a pretty little rainbow. Remember? Uncle was telling us a story yesterday about how the rainbow got made.
Which story?
The story of a very powerful dragon who made a rainbow in the sky so that he could defeat the cruel Hazak.
Really? And I thought a rainbow is formed when rays of the sun fall on water droplets and turn direction, and that's when we see the 7 colors.
This is something that went over our heads.
Huh? As if you both understand everything that you're told.
If we did, we would not have been with you.
Huh? What did you say? I'll show you both.
Actually, now's the right weather for the rainbow to be seen. But for that, it has to rain too.
What an enjoyable day it was today. I am glad that the professor could reassemble and repair the robot.